my garden. In today's episode, we will find out if I have any sweet potatoes in these grow bags. I grew sweet potato slips from store-bought sweet potatoes. I have jewel sweet potato, Purple Stokes, Japanese, and ruby red. I planted these potatoes almost 120 days ago. So I just cannot wait and see if I got any. That was an amazing sweet potato harvest. 120-day sweet potato varieties grown in grow bags. I can't believe how easy it was to grow them here in northern Illinois. If I can grow sweet potatoes here in the shorter growing season, you can too, especially if you live more south. This is amazing. I started growing slips back in February. I've never grown sweet potatoes before. I was just in awe of the whole process, from slip development throughout the growing season. And I have a whole playlist about sweet potatoes and how I started the slips and how I planted them. So check those videos out. These sweet potatoes were growing on my deck all season long. My deck only gets 7 hours of full sun. It's not the most optimal place to grow them because they require 8 to 10 hours of direct sun. However, I am very thankful that my backyard is southeast facing and I am able to grow most vegetables. If you have enjoyed watching my sweet potato harvest, please support my channel by liking, subscribing, and commenting. If you have any questions at all about growing vegetables, please ask me in the comments. I would love to answer them. I've been gardening for 7 years now, and I created this channel to help fellow gardeners and also inspire others to start a vegetable garden. So here we have it, a grand total of 3 pounds and 11 ounces of Purple Stokes sweet potatoes. Now I have to cure them, and in my next video, I will show you the simplest method of curing sweet potatoes. So stay tuned. I have harvested almost 10 pounds of sweet potatoes. Don't let anyone tell you that you can't grow something. Just try it, give it a try, and judge for yourself. I hope this video inspired you to grow your own sweet potatoes next year. Thank you for watching. Until next time, my gardening friends.